Hello everyone, welcome to my another video. Today I am going to explain about master degree program for Finland. Okay, how you are going to find information, where to find information, what is the process to apply for master degree in Finland, and what is the requirement. This kind of information I will show you through screen. Okay, it will take maybe 5 to 7 minutes, so please watch this video from the beginning to the end. It will help you. Okay guys, I will show you in brief how to find all the information required for master degree admission. Okay, so first of all you have to browse to studyinfo.fi in this website. Okay, and from here you can find all of the information for your master degree admission. Okay, and when you are here you can check in this section that if there is a admission round or not. Okay, currently there is no admission round here, so when you apply you can find this admission round. There is two admission round in Finland. One is in January, it's called autumn for spring round, and another is autumn round. Okay, and in January is also called joint application. From there you can apply to international program, okay, for English. So if you don't find your application round from here, you can also check master degree admission for individual universities. That is called separate application. You can check from here. Is called master degree in English, and there is also university list. You can check from there. Okay, and then what kind of documents do you require? So for English language proficiency you must have IELTS or another equivalent language certificate. So for IELTS you need for few university they ask 610, and most of the university are asking 6.5 or above. Okay, then number two, you need a bachelor degree certificate. Okay, you can apply with a provisional certificate if you didn't complete your degree, or you're going to complete. If you have a provisional certificate, you can apply with that, or you can apply with the original certificate. Okay, so you need certificate, mark sheet. So you don't need any upper secondary level or higher secondary level documents for master degree admission. Okay, and then some university ask educational CV, and some ask motivational letter. You should get those ready before the application, and you should have a valid passport, and if you have a work certificate is benefit for you, otherwise it's okay if you don't have. Okay, so how to apply? So when there is application round, you can go to studyinfo.fi, and you can look for that application round, and there should be a link like fill in the application. You can fill up your application. Okay, I have another video details about screen to screen how to fill up the documents, and you can watch that video if you want. I will put the link in the description. Okay, and then okay, so you need to scan all the documents and make those PDF, and you can upload those to your application. Okay, so after you applied, what will happen? You have to send a hard copy or paper copy if any university ask. If they don't ask, I think soft copy is enough, or electronic copy will be enough. Okay, then there should be admission result, and if you get selected, if you get any kind of scholarship, university will give you email, and then you can select the study place. You can choose the study place. After that you have to pay tuition fees. that's the procedure. You have to pay tuition fees. The university will give you a link to pay tuition fees. Okay, and after you pay tuition fees, then you have to apply to enter Finland. Finland. Okay, so student selection and scholarship, okay, whatever, I don't want to explain that. Okay, you have to apply to enter Finland, and then in enter Finland you have to make an application for your residence permit. Okay, and you need 6,720 euro for 1 year living cost for Finland if you want to apply for 1 year. Okay, if you want to apply for 2 years, you need double amount of this 6,720. It should be 13,440 euro for 2 years. Okay, and then you need your bank statement and your sponsor's bank statement. Okay, if you are a sponsor of yourself, then you have to show your document that you are earning or you're doing business, whatever you do. Otherwise, if you have a sponsor like your father or your parents, some other people, relative, you have to show their work, their certificate, their job certificate, their business documents, this kind of things. Okay, so I have another video for sponsorship documents related. You can watch that video. I can put the link in the video description. Okay, then you have to pay tuition embassy fee, and you need to go your nearest embassy to prove your identity. Okay guys, that's in short all the details for applying master degree in Finland. Hope this will help you to understand the process for Finland. Yeah, thank you so much. Bye bye.